Welcome back. In this video, we'll create a sketch to change the tone or frequency of an active buzzer. Create a title for your sketch, then add a variable for the Arduino pin that the buzzer is connected to. Next, create a variable for the on delay and another for the off delay. These will control how long the buzzer stays on and off. Lastly, let's create a variable for the frequency we want the buzzer play. We can pick any frequency to test the buzzer and change it later on. We are using pin 8 on the Arduino UNO, so we need to set the mode for that pin in the void setup function. Tone and noTone are functions that can be used to set the frequency and turn the buzzer on and off. Verify and then upload your sketch. If you get an error, take your time to read the error message and check the highlighted line. Fix one error at a time, then verify again. Your buzzer is now playing a frequency of 1550 Hz. Use the chart to try different frequencies. Experiment and see if you can play a simple tune. Great work! You've now learned how to control an active buzzer and change its frequency using Arduino code. If you have any questions, contact your instructor or click the chat button on the screen. See you in the next lesson.